हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि हाउ इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ट्राई टू फूल पीपल एंड उसका हम एक सोल्यूशन भी ढूंढ रहे थे। उसका सोल्यूशन वाज सिंथेटिक इंश्योरेंस। तो ये सिंथेटिक इंश्योरेंस क्या होता है वो समझने के लिए पहले हम जो प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने जो एग्जांपल दिया था उसको ही एक्सटेंड करते हैं कि ट्रेडिशनल इंश्योरेंस अगर मैं लेता तो क्या होता, अगर मैं कोई सिंथेटिक इंश्योरेंस बनाता हूँ तो उसका क्या इफेक्ट होगा, क्या बेनिफिट्स है। तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले जो प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने आपको पॉलिसी दिखाया था फॉर माई डैड, आई विल शो यू अगेन सो यू कैन रिकलेक्ट इट and then we will compare it with synthetic insurance. So let us go to the policy document. So this is the policy document which I was telling. It was for my dad. Age was 48, sum assured 40 lakhs, term period 52, मतलब up to 100 years of insurance, the sum insured. Okay, first year premium 58,000, second year onwards 57,800. So we will consider 57,800. Then we need to pay this 57,000 for 20 years. After 20 years we will receive 40,000 and we need to pay 29,000. So we need to pay this insurance for 20 years only. After that every year we will receive 11,000 because 40,000 we will receive and we will have to pay 29,000 only. So the payment period is 20 years. We will consider this as 20 years payment period only, and at the maturity, which is at the age of 100, the maturity value is 35,75,000. So this was the plan. So now let's have a look. ये तो ट्रेडिशनल प्लान था। अगर मैं इसको मेरे बनाए हुए सिंथेटिक प्लान से कंपेयर करूँ तो व्हाट इट इज़ लाइक। सो लेट्स हैव अ comparison between traditional plan and synthetic plan. So this is the comparison. As we saw, sum assured was 40 lakhs, but मुझे synthetic में I chose sum assured to be 50 lakhs. Annual premium जैसे कि हमने देखा 57,800. I am not considering first year में it was 58,000, but let's forget about this. So I have taken the lower amount. So 57,800. मैंने synthetic insurance में ये premium रखा है 50,000. I can change it. Either I can do 40, 50, 60, whatever I want. So it is flexible. Then premium payment, it is 20 years. But for synthetic, I have kept 12 years only because my dad's age was 48. So what I thought for maybe he'll get retired by 60, so he'll pay premium for next 12 years only. So after that he should not be having any headache of paying this premium. So I kept this payment period for 12 years only. I can change this as well. Okay. Then maturity age, I have kept it for same only. Value, maturity value was 35.75 lakhs in this traditional plan, but in synthetic you can see it is 65.75 lakhs approx. How we came to this figure, I'll show you the whole detailed calculation. Now the last part, whether traditional plan was flexible, not at all. Whether synthetic plan is flexible, yes it is, because I can change premium according to me, like 50,000 if I want I can keep it 40,000 only. Then premium payment period, if my dad wants to get retired by if 65, then I'll pay this premium for 17 years instead of 12 years. If he wants to get retired early, then I'll increase this payment, decrease this payment period, right? So this is one of the examples. Now you will see ये तो insurance plus investment वाला plan था, but what if I just want this term plan only. तो term plan में भी it is available. You can make something synthetic. So for if you want to go with the term plan, so I have one comparison for you, and everything I have with documents, so you can verify it. So if I want to have a term insurance of 50 lakh, so either you can go with government companies, there are 2-3, I don't want to name them. Private companies, there are 3-4 major players which I like or with whom you can go with. Then there is synthetic insurance. So sum assured, as we are comparing, we have kept the sum insured everything similar. So sum insured 50 lakhs. Annual premium with the government company, it is 37,624. In private, it is below this 24,000. It was something 23,836 or something. So I have kept it 24,000 for the simplicity. Now there is synthetic insurance, which I wanted. So what I kept the premium as 37,000, right? I can change it if I want to make it 50 or 30. I can make it, but for this basic calculation, I have kept it 37,000. Now there is premium payment period. With the government plan, the insurance was available for till the age of 80 years only. Then with the private company, it was available till the age of this 85. Okay, till my dad's age is 85. And for synthetic as well, I kept the insurance age as 85 only. Now comes मुझे कितने साल तक प्रीमियम पे करना है. If I go with the government plan, so in term insurance every year you need to pay, ठीक है, and there is no maturity in term plan, ठीक है. So every year I have to pay 37,600 for next 32 years. अगर मैं वही प्राइवेट से लेता, so 37 years के लिए I have to pay 24,000. But if I want to make something synthetic, so what I did some calculations and I want to pay this premium for next 20 years only, and at the maturity, generally there is no maturity in term plan, but if you make it synthetic, there can be a maturity. So maturity was somewhere around 16 lakhs. How it came, I'll show you. Then flexibility, yes, if you want to close this policy, like generally if you surrender this term plan, you will not get anything, okay, but in synthetic you will get something. So it is flexible as compared to other term plans as well. So even if you are going to save money or have your insurance with the term plan, yeah, I do agree term plan is the best way for the insurance, but even in term plan there can be a synthetic insurance. So this comparison was just to give you a clarity or a vision why synthetic insurance is better than the existing insurance policies. So this is the somewhat comparisons. Now let us understand what this synthetic insurance is. तो मैंने क्या किया, अगर आप प्रीवियस वीडियो में जाओगे तो आई गेव मेनी थिंग्स कि हाउ दिस इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज फूल पीपल. तो वो जो हाउ डू दे फूल, तो मैंने क्या किया, उनका जो भी ट्रिक्स था, व्हाट वी डिड, वी बैक इंजीनियर्ड इट. सो सबसे पहला, ये जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज है, दे व्हाट दे डू, दे मिक्स इंश्योरेंस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो इफ़ आई वांट टू मेक अ synthetic insurance, मैं क्या करूँगा, I'll separate it. I'll separate insurance as well as investment. So that's the first point. Then the main point, we need to understand product thoroughly and compare it with different products. Now when I compared the term plan, there was one plan from one government company and there were many other plans from many private companies. Why I chose a plan which is having a premium of 24,000? There are many parameters. सबसे पहले, whether this company is reliable. So yes, I chose the plan from top 3 companies which I consider, means I have some checklist. Based on this checklist, for private, if I want to go with private insurance, I have checklisted and I can go with the 3 companies, which are this. Okay, so first is ICICI Prudential, second is HDFC Life, and third is Bajaj. So this is my own analysis. You may have your own analysis, but I'll not choose insurance of any other companies because there is somewhat question on reliability, whether these companies are reliable or not. जब अगर मुझे पता चला जब तक मेरा इंश्योरेंस खत्म होता है तभी तक कंपनीज whether they exist or not. So what I did, the top companies in the Nifty 50, that is the top 10 to 15 companies of India, I chose from them only, or at least they should be in Nifty 50. So these are the best companies. So based on that, I have come up with this 3 companies where I can have my insurance with if I want to go with private sector. सो थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, पहले तो प्लान समझना पड़ेगा, व्हाट आर द डिटेल्स ऑफ दिस प्लान. देर आर मेनी प्लान्स विच इज हैविंग कैशबैक्स. these are complicated plans and they are deliberately made you to fool you. तो लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था कि दे मेक वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. इफ यू वांट टू डू सिंथेटिक इंश्योरेंस यू नीड टू सिंप्लीफाई थिंग्स. To simplify things you need to understand things. So that is what is insurance, synthetic insurance is. Then customize your product based on your requirement and flexibility. जैसे कि मैंने previous slide में बताया कि at that time my dad's age was 48 and what I assume that my dad should get retired by 60, at the max 60. So for next 12 years he can pay somewhat premium. After in retirement I don't want any burden on him of paying insurance premiums. So what I did, so I customized my product for next 12 years only. So this is what synthetic insurance does. So now let us understand how to create a synthetic insurance. So for that I'll take a liberty to use Excel. So let us make one synthetic insurance for the traditional plan. This is the traditional plan. So हमने जो policy document देखा था, it was having sum assured of 40 lakhs. So now I want a sum assured of 50 lakhs. ठीक है. Then as I told you, my dad can pay for next 12 years. So I want premium payment for next 12 years only. But what he can pay, he can easily pay 50,000 a year. So I kept a premium at 50,000. ठीक है. तो ये सब तो हम निकाल लेंगे कैसा होता है. तो मैंने क्या किया, तो सबसे पहले इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो व्हाट आई चोज, सो आई चोज HDFC 3D प्लान वेयर दिस 50 lakh का टर्म इंश्योरेंस वेयर एनुअली आई हैव टू पे समवेयर अराउंड 23,9 समथिंग. सो लेट्स कीप इट 24,000 और माई डैड कैन अलोकेट 50,000. ही कैन पे प्रीमियम अप टू 50,000. सो अभी 26,000 से मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है. सो 26,000 आई कैन अलोकेट फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट. ये तो आउट ऑफ 50,000 24,000 तो मेरा ये जो इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम है वो पे करने में चला जाएगा और ये जो 26,000 है उससे मैं कुछ तो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करूँगा. नाउ रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, अभी ये कैसे मिलेगा. सो क्या कौन से टाइप का इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो. नाउ इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट्स. लाइक some people want it very safe, so they can invest this 26,000 or the whichever is the remainder in PPF. If they want it very safe. Now I wanted it to be like moderately safe. So what I did, so I invested it in mutual funds. So depending on your requirement you can choose your type of investment. So if some people want to invest in gold, if they are very bullish on gold, what they do, they ये जो remaining portion है, and if they are very bullish on something they can invest there. ठीक है. So what I did, I just wanted a return of 8%. I don't want a return more than that. So what I thought, I can just invest this in the index funds directly. So I kept this rate of return 8% CAGR. If you see since inception, this index funds had given more than 12% of return, but I am not expecting that much return. I am just expecting 8% returns. That is more than sufficient for me. And so it is a kind of, it's a rational thinking that if I am expecting 8% returns, if you are expecting returns of let's say 15-20%, then it would be irrational. So I will not advise you to go with this kind of synthetic insurance. So do everything rationally. So 8% I have kept as rate of return. ठीक है. तो and as you saw, I just want to pay this insurance premium for 12 years. So what I'll do, I'll pay this 26,000 for next 12 years. तो मैंने 12 years this I paid this 26,000. ठीक है. तो and I am expecting rate of return at 8%. ठीक है. तो I have assumed that I am investing in some of the mutual fund where now this NAV can be anything, it doesn't matter in this calculation. So I kept it 10 rupees for simplicity. So every year 8% I am increasing it. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट ईयर इफ आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट 26,000 देन आई get 2600 units, then second year 2400, 2200 onwards. So I'll pay this for next 12 years. Now अभी 12 years के बाद में मुझे तो कुछ पे नहीं करना, मतलब so what I'll do, I'll start systematic withdrawal plan. So I'll have to withdraw 24,000 every year. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे ये 24,000 का इंश्योरेंस भी तो पे करना है. सो व्हाट आई डिड, 24,000 का मुझे सिस्टमैटिक विड्रॉल करना है फॉर नेक्स्ट 8 years. ठीक है, सो नॉट 8 years, टिल दिस इंश्योरेंस ये 37 years तक का इंश्योरेंस है. ठीक है, और उसमें से मैंने सिर्फ 12 year ही पे किया है अब तक. तो फॉर नेक्स्ट 25 years आई हैव टू विड्रॉ दिस मनी. सो अप टू 37 एज आई विड्रॉ, तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 12,000 जितना यूनिट्स बच जाएगा. सो एट द एज मैच्योरिटी कब है, व्हेन माय डैड विल बिकम अप्रोक्सीमेटली एज ऑफ द 85. ठीक है, सो एट दैट टाइम इफ आई वांट टू विड्रॉ इट एंड आई जस्ट टेक दिस 8% रिटर्न्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट, तो NAV वुड बी समवेयर अराउंड 547. सो दिस एक्सपेक्टेड inflow would be 65,75,000. So when I told you the maturity of 65,75,000, so it was that only. During the maturity period, this might be the returns. So this is 8%. If I get 9% CAGR, this return may go to 1.13 crores, and if I get this return of 7.5% CAGR, it will be 49 lakhs. So now it depends. So what we are expecting is 8%. So I feel that 8% is achievable. So based on that, I took this figure. So actual may be different, but what everything, the calculation what they says, it will be more than this. So this is how I made a synthetic insurance of this traditional plan. Then I made one more synthetic insurance of this term insurance plan. So these are the 3 plans as you can see here. So now I wanted insurance where I need to pay premium for next 20 years only. So I chose this. What I did, ये तो HDFC का 3D plus life, I did 3D plan. So 24,000 उसमें चला जाता है. So remaining 13,000 I'll invest. And here also I am expecting just 8% returns, not more than that. So calculations are same. For next 20 years I'll be paying this, and after that I'll withdraw 24,000. वाई, क्योंकि मुझे ये जो HDFC का जो प्रीमियम पे करना है वो तो पे करना पड़ेगा, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई डोंट वांट टू पे एनीथिंग फ्रॉम माय पॉकेट. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विड्रॉइंग सिस्टमैटिकली. सो आफ्टर एट द एज ऑफ मैच्योरिटी with just 8% CAGR return, with the remaining units I'll be getting a maturity value of 16,15,000. Now it can be more or less as well. So now you will think whether to if we are doing any synthetic insurance, whether we should invest in this mutual fund only or what. Now it depends on one's requirement. So कुछ लोग even this PPF या bonds में भी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स. और what you can do if your this contribution, investment contribution is a big amount, you can allocate like 50% in the mutual funds, 25% in PPF, 25% in government bonds. So at the ये सब करके, even if you achieve this 7 to 8% returns, it will be very high as compared to whatever insurance companies are offering you as of now. So I hope you understand what is synthetic insurance is and how can you create a synthetic insurance product. So now your question would be, ये difference आता क्यों है, मतलब why this huge difference in traditional and synthetic insurance. तो सबसे पहला, the reason number 1, reduced intermediary cost. Now I don't know whether you know it or not. when you buy any insurance policy, first year commission to agent is between 25 to 50%. Straight away, 25 to 50% in insurance commission on your premium, they get it from first year, and second year onwards it is between 2 to 10% depending on what kind of policy you are having. So there is huge compensation to this, first of all insurance agent. Then second, intermediary cost, कि okay company के पास पैसा तो आ गया, so after that even to manage this fund they'll pay this fund managers. Our insurance company का fund manager expense ratio, you can check it yourself. So there are many costs involved just for intermediaries. Okay. Then second thing, reduce GST burden. Okay, so if I want to invest in this mutual fund or any bond or PPF, I don't have to pay any GST. But if I want to buy this this investment plan which is also having insurance plus investment plan, तो उस पर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 4.5% का GST ऑन फर्स्ट प्रीमियम एंड 2.25% का GST सेकेंड प्रीमियम ऑनवर्ड मुझे पे करना है, विच इज़ माई प्योर एक्सपेंस. उसका मुझे कोई GST बेनिफिट्स वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा, इट इज़ माई एक्सपेंस. सो 2 to 4% का एडिशनल आई एम पेइंग टू गवर्नमेंट. फर्स्ट आई एम पेइंग टू दिस इंटरमीडिएट्स, देन आई एम पेइंग टू गवर्नमेंट. तो जो इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज के पास एक तो कम पैसा आता है, देन दे स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इट विथ इट. सो that is why these plans are very expensive. And the third, why you should opt for synthetic insurance is it is more flexible and things are under your control instead of these insurance companies. As see आपने देखा कि मुझे टर्म चेंज करना था, लाइक मुझे सिर्फ 12 ईयर्स के लिए ही पे करना है. लेट्स से मुझे सिर्फ प्रीमियम भी चेंज करना है, लेट्स से 50,000 नहीं, मुझे 60,000 प्रीमियम पे करना है या 40,000, तो मैं अकॉर्डिंगली वो चेंज कर सकता हूँ. सो थिंग्स आर अंडर आवर कंट्रोल. सो दिस इज़ वाई मीन्स बहुत लोग सोचेंगे ना, क्योंकि डिफरेंस इज़ वेरी ह्यूज. तो ये डिफरेंस क्यों है? सो दीज आर द रीजन्स. सो दिस इज़ वाई synthetic insurance is what I feel is better than the traditional insurance. If you want to get your personalized synthetic insurance designed, you may contact us at the below given email ID. I'll give this that email ID in description as well. Or you may send your requirement and your existing plan. We will try to help you out and give you a better plan, a synthetic insurance, where you will be saving more money. That is our basic intention is. I hope you like this video. Like this video, share this video. Thank you for watching.